Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making mango sorbet. Fan of food like me? Like and subscribe for more food inspo. So a night earlier I already peeled, diced and froze half a mango. Then what we'll need is half cup of water, a blender, honey as sweetener. You can also use syrup or sugar as sweetener, and the frozen mango. So what we're going to do first is to pour the frozen and diced mango into the blender cup. You might want to sit the frozen mango out for a few minutes to thaw so it's easier to scoop into the blender cup. Then get a teaspoon. We have a measuring spoon here and we're going to fill half a teaspoon of honey here. If you don't have honey, you can also use any other form of sweetener. Then pour the half teaspoon of honey into the blender cup of mangoes. Then take the half cup of water and pour into the blender cup. Then blend the frozen mango. And then pour the blended frozen mango into a dish tray, or you can also use a glass bowl. Then now we're going to refreeze the blended frozen mango again overnight. If you can't wait, you can also freeze it for about 4 hours minimum. So after sitting in the freezer overnight, here is the mango sorbet.